Good morning, all of you. Welcome to English language class. And today we are going to learn chapter number 11, the past tense. In this chapter, we will learn about the simple past tense and past continuous tense. So let's begin the chapter with an exercise. Underline in red the verbs that talk about the action that were completed at a definite time in the past, that is said to be simple past tense, and now underline in green action that continued over a period of time to denote past continuous tense. The first one is Mansoor was fixing his tabla. Mansoor was completing his action, the action that continued over a period of time. This is a past continuous tense. Radha loved my chicken curry. It is talking about action that were completed at a definite time, that is past. It's simple past tense. Third one is our school won the football tournament. Again, action completed at a definite time in the past, simple past tense. Why was Tanya crying? Action continued over a period of time, past continuous. The tornado damaged the park, simple past tense. And Harsh was collecting rare song is past continuous tense. Notice the verbs in these sentences. The first sentence is Rania swam with her friend. Second one is Rania was swimming with her friend. So in the first sentence, we can say that this sentence is denoting the action that happened or completed at the definite time in the past, and the second sentence is telling us about this action that continued over a period of time. The first one is simple past tense and the second one is past continuous tense. The tense of a verb tells us the time of action, and we have already learned about the simple past and past continuous tense. So let's read about them once again. Simple past and past continuous. Simple past talks about the action that took place in the past and is completed. Past continuous talks about an action that was happening at some point of time for a period of time in the past. Simple past uses the past tense form of the verb in singular or plural. In past continuous, uses was, were with ing form of the verb. Example, simple past tense, Rakhi danced gracefully. Second form of verb is used. My parents went for a walk every evening. Second form of verb. And in continuous tense, I was eating my lunch early. Was, use of was, were with the help of verb plus ing form. Second one, Tara was traveling by train yesterday. Use of was with verb in ing form. Now let's move on to the first exercise, that is exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verb in the given brackets. I still remember my visit to the mountains last winter. It was. B will become was. So cold that the water freezed or froze. That water froze on the lakes, and have will become had. So in the same way, you can complete rest of the fill-ups with the help of simple past tense. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous forms of the verbs given in bracket. The first one is we were expecting. Here we'll have to use helping verb were. Expect will become expecting with the use of ing. And in this way, you can do the rest of the sentences and fill up all the blanks. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise C. Now here you have to fill the blanks with simple past or the past continuous forms of the verb that are given in the brackets. First one is Rohit was working. Here we'll complete the sentence with the help of past continuous tense with the use of was plus ing form of verb, that is working. Rohit was working as a security guard in a multinational company, and in the evening he learnt English at language school. Here we'll use simple past, that is second form of verb learn is learnt. Now in the same way we can complete rest of the sentences. Now come to the next one, that is exercise D. And here we have to rewrite the sentences with the help of the verb in the simple past tense and then again it into the past continuous tense. Now let's do the first one. The sentence is she is studying hard. The sentence is in simple present tense. Now first we'll continue with convert it into simple past tense and the sentence will become like this. She studied. She studied hard with the use of second form of word, that is studying will become studied. Then again now we have to convert the same sentence into past continuous tense and it will become like this. The sentence in past continuous tense will be written as she was studying hard. Here we have used helping verb was with first form of verb with ing. Now similar way you can complete rest of the sentences. First you have to convert it into simple past tense, then after that it will again be converted into past continuous tense also. We use the past continuous with the past simple when we want to say that one thing happened in a simple past and when something else was happening, past continuous. Let's see the example. Sophia was playing the piano when Diego arrived. When Diego arrived, Sophia was playing the piano. So here we have used past continuous with the past simple when we want to say that one thing happened and when something else was happening in the same time. Now let's do the exercise related to simple past or past continuous tense. Now here we have to circle the correct words. I wasn't walking. The first one is already done for you. I wasn't walking to school when it began to snow. The second one is Alice wasn't eating her lunch when she got the email. This one is the correct one. Third one, were you driving home when your sister texted you? Again, second form of verb, that is simple past. Fourth one, we were playing in the garden when our cat disappeared. Fifth one, when her grandfather came home. Annie wasn't opening her present. Now next exercise is, look and write the sentences in the past continuous. Let's see the first one, that is already done. Sanjay ran in a race fall. So we'll be making like this. Sanjay was running in a race when he fell. The second one we have to do. The hints are Harry, sleep, dad, come home. We'll make the sentence. Harry was sleeping. Harry was sleeping when dad came home. So in this way, we can also complete rest of the sentence. We can use both the forms of verb together. First with past continuous and also with the help of simple past tense. So that's all in this chapter.